Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to fix projecting to this PC screen is not appearing and there is no option is showing there. To fix this issue, just follow my steps. Now just click on the start button and go to settings, or else just right click on start button and you can able to see the settings option by here also. Now just click on settings option. In right side, just click on the option projecting to this PC. And here just click on the optional features. And in first one, click on view features. Now just type on wireless display. Here you can able to see the option wireless display and it is showing that its file size is 2.49 MB. Just click on that and give next. And click on the install button. Now your wireless display is installing. Just make sure that you have connected to the internet or not. And now here you can able to see the option wireless display has been installed. Now just go to the system and in right side just click on projecting to the screen, and here you can able to see all the options has been enabled related to projecting to this PC. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. See you all next video. Bye bye. Take care.